day, sir and ma'am. I am Charibel Bidanya, 28 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I am the second in the family. I am a high school graduate and I have NC2 caregiver. I have worked before as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and I know how to cook Filipino foods like chicken, pork adobo, sinigang, and mixed vegetable. I had experience of taking care of children by giving them on milk, bath them every day, wash my hands before handling the children, focusing on their needs, play with them, and give vitamin prescribed by doctor, love with them as my own family. Sir and ma'am, I am honest, loyal, patient, hardworking, and responsible. Sir and ma'am, please hire me as your domestic helper and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, sir and ma'am.